Hey guys, this is Epson WF2910DWF. I received a question. Someone asked how to print documents from mobile phone to this printer. You need to first of all make sure that the printer and mobile device are connected to the same network. You go to wherever you have your document on your phone, go to my files, select my files, then go to documents, then you select the document you want to print out. This is the document I want to print out. You just need to select on it and wait for the document to be ready. This is 2 pages document. Now gently tap on the document. You go on top, select the 3 dots. Once you select the 3 dots, then select print. This app will pop up. Then you scroll down and select the printer Epson WF2910 series. Select on it and the printer is ready. It will show you a yellow icon. You can scroll down to select for you to print double-sided long edge. You select how many copies you want to print this document, black and white only. You can print it colored as well, and the paper type is A4, orientation, portrait. Then you want to print all pages. Then you select print by selecting the yellow icon. Select print. Now this document is printing. We are printing this document two-sided, black. Here we go. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, black. Another way to print document is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel. This printer is connected to this phone using Epson Smart Panel. So this is Epson Smart Panel and the printer is ready. It's showing us the printer image and also the ink level. If you scroll down, you print photo, print document, document capture. So select print document. Then once you select print document, then you go to your file and select document you want to print out. Select this document, for example. This is 1-page document. To print this document out, you need to first of all go to the settings. Select the paper size as A4. If you want to print any other document, then you select on it. We have here A4 paper. Then you select paper type as plain paper. Then you select how many copies. Once you've done that, then you go back and select print. Now this document is printing. This is the document. We printed this document colored and printed the first one black and white from the mobile device to this printer. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. This is how to print your document from Epson WF2910DWF. Thank you.